Greetings, my fellow foolish mortal, and welcome to the Scare Factor. Tonight we're here at the haunt of fairy tales, myths, and legends. That's Grim Trails down here at Tom Sawyer Park in Louisville, Kentucky. But if you know anything about fairy tales, you know they're rooted in some pretty dark history. And that's what you're gonna see here, the dark side of the scariest bedtime stories around. We're gonna take you through with us, so without further ado, let's go get some scares.
He wants to keep his soul.
Wait, do you have a soul?
Stay away!
Do you have a soul?
What does that mean? We got this, Trevor.
I'm on it.
Huh?
Ooh.
Somebody's crying? Oh, yeah. Oh.
Okay.
This can't be good.
But my friends, really we have. And we're so hungry, you know. But you're not scared, are you?
No.
Oh, that's too bad. I really like the smell of your fear. Almost as much as I like the smell of your blood. You really are so hungry. Really.
She was hiding out. Okay, all right.
Oh, God.
You must be one of their friends, too.
They're waiting for you. Waiting for you.
What is it? Trevor, whoa! Had him right in the back. Oh.
Oh
Is this a
no.
race day?
Oh no.
There's a rabbit.
Oh.
Hello, rabbit.
He's a rambunctious rabbit. Oh, rabbit. Oh my God. He doesn't have any shoes on. That goat. Oh, it's the tortoise.
Somebody told me you guys think you can win the race.
That's not true.
Yeah.
Shut up!
No, I don't think I can.
No, I think.
Well, good,
gonna
'cause
win.
I already did.
Oh, okay.
That's
you
good.
already
But
did.
he did it.
Nope.
He
And
did
when he
it.
doesn't get his way, he gets a little violent.
I see that. I
He
think.
gets a hankering for some positive.
Oh,
Got it?
Not positive. Nope. Not
What
me.
about you?
I don't either.
Go into the creepy
In
tree
this
shack
little
in the
bitty
middle of
shack.
the woods. Yeah.
Cool.
And it's dark. Oh my
That's
gosh.
always a good idea.
It got really dark. What is it? Oh no.
Kind of a weird step.
Whoopsie.
Whoa!
Oh my God. That comes from nowhere. Wow. They're back. Oh no. Oh.
Angry witches!
Gotta watch out. They will hit you.
I know.
Uh-oh. See, the buildings freak me out. Good rule.
Hello.
Have to knock. Nobody answered. That must be safe
Nobody
to go in.
Right.
Oh no.
Oh, uh-oh.
I knew it was gonna happen.
Oh, aren't you just handsome fella? Oh, I think his face will look real good on me, don't you? I think my nose would compliment the look.
Yeah.
You're more than welcome to keep him up front for me. I'll gladly take his.
Oh no.
Oh.
Oh, you
you're
It's,
more than
you don't
welcome
want
to
this.
stay now.
You don't want this.
Oh, no.
Look, I haven't been moisturizing. It's not.
You think I moisturize? I'm a wooden doll.
Fair point.
Oh. We have found a bridge.
There's a creepy bridge.
What is it? I just heard it. Oh no, it's another troll.
Beautiful meal.
Where?
I mean,
Not us.
not
no.
me. Somebody back there probably. The next group.
Oh, no. I've heard that before from some goats.
Coats.
But you,
Goats.
I won't let you trick me this time.
Uh-oh.
Look, this time it's the truth though. This time we're serious.
Oh, you're rotten.
Oh, we're wrong.
Filthy, spoiled meat.
We tried to tell you.
Move along.
Okay. Oh my God. What are we going into? It's a house.
This is so pretty.
Gotta get some cardio out here.
Yeah.
Burn it out.
What?
There's no happy ending there. Fire! Dead!
Oh my God! That was good.
Oh, it's a shaman.
You want to
what?
Cannons?
Believe that! These do not look like lost boys. You're not
he is.
associated with that demon, Peter Pan, are you?
I'm not.
No.
I only escaped from mutilation myself and offered refuge before the armies of the pixies and the beast with the ticket comes. Always with the ticket, the beast comes and is relentless. She will be removed.
You're no lost boys, any of you! What sort of deal did you make with that wretched Peter Pan?
No deals.
Liar! He does not let the grown ones escape!
Oh my
I
God.
recognize that stench anywhere.
You're assuming we're grown
Smell
old.
just like
Yeah,
that.
I'm not.
No.
Don't believe anything that he says.
Take
Liar!
it out of
The
my
captain.
Full of
mouth.
deceit. Now get out of my ship.
I'm on my way. I'm on my way.
He'll take your life just like he did ours.
He's still back there. Yeah.
That's probably not foreshadowing anything.
Beware the beast of that word?
Givod.
Gavaldin?
Yeah.
Yeah, probably not. any beast
Javaldin,
of
that's what
Gavaldin.
it is? Okay.
It's the only way you get to leave is if you say it.
What the fuck?
What is it?
the fuck?
Oh. There's a beast.
That is the beast of Gavaldin.
That is definitely a beast.
Ooh.
Oh my God. He's gonna get you. He's ready to go. Oh God.
What the heck was that?
That was that.
Oh, it's a little red
Oh my
sliding
God,
hood.
she got me good.
Oh my.
Ooh, whoa.
Yes! Fun fact, that's actually from Dent Schoolhouse.
Really?
Mm-hmm.
We're going into Three Little Piggies here.
You think?
Oh God.
Oh yeah.
Not so little.
Yeah.
It is definitely a piggy.
Oh.
He seems perturbed.
He is, yeah.
Wolves trying to blow his house down and stuff.
I'm sorry. I was not the wolf that tried to blow the house down.
I didn't either. He's out. Oh, he's out. How much louder can it get?
Okay.
We didn't do it. The wolf is that way.
Is that a bacon press?
Is it a bacon press?
I'm out of here.
Oh shoot.
Oh no.
What is it?
No, I do not. Legally.
It's been a long
Legally?
time.
You'll help me, right? You'll help me bury him?
I'll help you. I'll try. I can dig. Yeah.
You guys, you can have a cookie.
Oh, perfect. Oh my God, it actually smells like cookies.
Does it?
Out of the oven for me, right?
Yeah.
Out of the oven?
We'll get them out of the oven.
Oh my God, it
You're
does
so
smell like
sweet.
cookies.
Thank you.
Wow.
Oh, there's a little rat.
Oh.
I think they're done. They're gonna burn us! Oh, they're making us stay in the oven. Oh no, there's stuff down here. What is this? Look at us!
Oh dear.
Oh my God!
Oh dear.
That was a mean witch.
Anybody else feel baked?
Yes.
Only half.
Only half? What the heck is with this? What's going on? Okay.
That's how Wendigos sound.
Oh Lord. Oh, it's a goat.
Whoa.
Mm.
That's not good. That's not good at all.
Oh no. Ooh.
Oh, dead end. That's a big old monster.
The old one.
Yeah, this is.
Oh, good God.
Hello.
I don't know if they like us here.
They might not.
I'm gonna vote no.
Sorry. We'll get out of your bamboo.
Oh, watch out for the danger noodles.
Look at what you've done!
Oh, I didn't do anything. This is my first time here.
This is my first.
That's never good.
No, you don't.
I have something for you!
What am I supposed to do?
Give me your hands!
Just do what she said.
How could you?
Because
Look at what you've done!
I knew that's what that was gonna be. Oh my God.
Oh man.
It's a
Ben
cemetery.
Armstrong.
Bird
I think we might go now.
I like this.
Oh, okay. Oh, Nora Profit. Nice. Oh my. Oh my.
Zambi. Oh God.
Stop it! Stop it!
You're scared of spiders.
It really is. Whoa.
Hello.
No, that's gross.
Oh, no, 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 no.
No, you stay out there. You stay out there. Oh my God.
I love these props.
Those are really
I
awesome.
want these at my house.
Oh.
Oh. They are not happy at all. What is that? Oh my goodness. They didn't warn us of that one. It's a big one of those things back there. A big Wendigo.
I'm leaving.
It's a full-sized Wendigo.
Oh, looky here.
Oh, yeah.
Full-size castle. And a
There's
drawbridge.
definitely. Hope I don't get scared in here.
There's a what?
I'm seeing a lot of dragons.
Oh,
Oh, wow.
Yeah.
oh gosh.
I've had enough of you worthless humans coming into my castle of Camelot. Don't you understand that Arthur is gone?
Well, you left the drawbridge
yes.
down.
I've ripped every last one of his knights' heads off. His round table lies in ruin!
Oh,
not very
well,
nice.
we're just passing through.
Yeah.
That's all.
We'll just be on our way.
Don't mind.
That's just a taste of what monsters I have in my cave, Nora.
Oh, my.
Go!
No.
It's now
no,
Spider-Lot
no,
instead
no.
of Camelot.
Ew. Trevor, you can't leave me.
Oh,
no.
Do you hear them?
No,
Oh
no,
my
no,
God.
no.
Oh my God.
I
It's
can hear him.
moving.
I can hear him.
Holy shit. That thing was moving. What is it? Oh, it's a dragon. No.
Whoa.
Come on.
Whoa, keep coming. I don't know what Look out! Oh my God! That thing comes way out there. Oh, it's trying to take the fence down.
Hello?
Hello?
No?
To get away from that wretched castle.
Yeah, we came to get to the other side of Sleepy Hollow.
There's spiders.
Why
We
is
won't
that?
make it?
The headless horseman on those killing.
Well, somebody should deal with them.
Chopping heads off.
That's not good.
Chopping?
In there, in those woods.
Oh my God. He gets me every time.
Oh wow!
Which one is the horseman though? Sleepy Hollow.
Oh, this is pretty.
Ooh. I feel like we're on the wooded road of pumpkins.
Oh, God.
Oh.
It's not safe here. We shouldn't be out here.
Why is that?
He's in the woods.
Oh no.
He's out.
He's out.
Cross the bridge quickly.
Okay.
Okay, all right. Cross the bridge.
We're gonna cross the bridge.
Yeah.
The only safe place is on the other side.
Why
The
is there?
horseman, he's gotten everyone.
Okay.
He's got,
I don't like those odds.
No!
Oh!
He took it off of there right now.
Shoot, she's not going to be warning us
That's
no more.
unfortunate. Oh,
Well,
Oh my goodness.
All right, guys, well, that was Grim Trails Haunted House down here in Louisville, Kentucky. Let us know what you thought. If you like haunted trails like this, I got one linked for you right here. It's called Nightmare Forest. They got all your favorite movie monsters and a few originals of their own. I'll see you in that video. Until then, stay scary.